Guys, check this out. So right now, the color of this smartphone is white. As you can see, it's white. But as soon as I take it under the sun, oh, look at that. And the change is instant. Yeah, this is the first sunlight drawing smartphone, and it's from TECNO. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the TECNO Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition. It's the world's first smart device that uses sunlight drawing technology to change its appearance. TECNO and the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston collaborated to make this smartphone a work of art. TECNO got its design inspiration from Mondrian to design a smartphone that is artistic, innovative, and unique. The design is really nice, especially when you sit in person, and it's going to appeal to a lot of people. Now, looking at the package, you will know this smartphone is special. It comes with the usual accessories like a 33 watts fast charger, a TPU case, a USB Type-C cable, and now for the special items, it comes with a pocket square, cufflinks, a badge, and the TECNO Sonic One earbuds that sound amazing. Now, it's time to see what regular non-tech people think about the design of the TECNO Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition.
Okay. Yeah, color changing. I can see some red, some blue.
This one is wow. Everything about the phone, camera, everything. Very lovely.
Wow. TECNO.
Yeah, TECNO.
Wow.
What do you think about it?
What do you think about it?
I think it's nice. I love it.
And now let's talk about the cameras. The TECNO Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, a 64 megapixel main camera with laser autofocus and optical image stabilization. It has a 50 megapixel telephoto camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Now for the 32 megapixel selfie camera, in good lighting conditions, it takes good pictures, and for videos, it can shoot up to 2K 30 frames per second. Now moving to the 64 megapixel main camera, it takes decent pictures. The colors look vibrant and sharp. The camera is alright, but when you switch to the 50 megapixel telephoto camera, that camera is going to blow you away. I mean, just look at the pictures it captures. It takes portrait shots like a DSLR camera. Look at the bokeh, it looks natural, the colors are on point. The 50 megapixel telephoto camera is really good. Night shots captured by this smartphone are also impressive, and capturing videos in the dark is actually good compared to other smartphones within its price range. Check out this cool effect. With one click, this smartphone can change the sky. This feature is called Sky Shop, and you can pick the type of sky you want before taking the picture. It can even turn day to night. How cool is that? Now let's talk about the price. The TECNO Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition goes for 179,900 naira. That's 19,900 naira more than the regular TECNO Camon 19 Pro, which has the same spec, and I think it's worth the price because you get more accessories. You get a TECNO Sonic One earbuds that sound amazing. You get a pair of cufflinks, a pocket square, and a pin which you might not use, and you get a limited edition smartphone that changes color when sunlight touches the rear. It's truly a special smartphone, and there is no other smartphone in the market that can do what it does. And honestly, I think it's worth paying that extra 19,900 naira if you ask me. It's beautiful. So guys, let me know what you guys think about the TECNO Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition. Normally I give away or sell my TECNO devices, but this one I am keeping. You can check out my review of the TECNO Camon 19 Pro over here and the TECNO Camon 19 Pro 5G over here. Thanks for watching.